Come on, you real piece of shit, you're gonna make me late. Fuck, thank God. Alright, today, another journey. We're going out west. We're gonna deal with some frac stuff. And yes, I do love doing frac stuff too. I love everything. Everything's a challenge. I like driving the smaller truck because you can't always do everything, but you'll figure out a way to do something. Where there's a will, there's a way. Driving the Sal is fun, destroys my back. Texas bed, nice, soft, the winch is fast, the turning radius is great, so I don't mind it at all. So let's go for a drive and go out and move some frac stuff. Wowzers. Nice, I got a load of gravel. I didn't think I was going to be able to shake it, but I did. Thank God. Would I deck off and pull it off? So it is now day 2. I finished up that rig move. Well, I didn't really finish it, but I went back for the second load, loaded, and then got switched out because I had my frac guy needs a T-bed, the only one we got, so I switched out with somebody last night. He brought out some mats to Rocky. I just dumped off those mats now, moved the heater for the pool. I'm gonna zip over to Drayton Valley. We gotta pick up a shack, and then we'll bring that back here too. Alright, so here we are. We're going to load this shack, that shack, this trailer. Here we go. Let's see what I can wreck today. Just kidding. See if I can break my camera. But putting it here. Probably going to be too high. I might catch the shack. I'll probably have to move it. We'll see. Saying that everybody does it this way, but I like to make sure I'm as centered as possible. Pop it up on the roll, then we'll put some middle pins in so it stays nice and square. how she goes. I'm gonna suck her up a little bit more here just to make sure I got remote power here. Ooh. Usually like to nab that round bar, but this one will work. Be too far back. Get out my trusty measuring stick, my feet. That's pushing it. We'll go ahead a little more. You're allowed 6.5 meters overhang from your center axle. Most people don't really give a fuck, but in the oil field, you just do what you gotta do to get the load where you're going. Now we take the sling off, because now when you turn corners, it's gonna pull your sling off one way or another, and it just kind of looks ugly and shitty, so we'll just pop it off, chain her down, and get out of here. Is it just me, or does this look like it's Raiden from Mortal Kombat? Alright, so we're back. We got 2 mats. That's what I picked up from the Frac site that obviously I cannot show you. It's top secret. Nobody knows. But like always, they made a hell of a mess, making the mats heavier than they should be, making my job difficult. But hey, no problem. I'll still get it done. One more day, one more dollar. We'll drop these bad boys off here. Nailed it. Can't really fuck that up too much. That's why we like being bed truck operators, because it's really hard to fuck it up because you don't have a trailer. Stay. No trailer to contend with, it's just one piece. That's how I started anyways. I was like, oh, I'll be a bed truck operator. Less trailer action. Fuck me up. But lo and behold, good at everything. Try to be anyways. At least I think I am. Everybody else watching this probably like, you're shitty. You're probably right. a big one today. Okay, so you see in there, we got a big job. We got the toilet. We're doing big things with the little truck. Never done before. Rare, unseen footage of a tea bed with a toilet. Because even us guys, when we're out here in the field, we need to go to the bathroom. I don't go to the bathroom. No, that's disgusting. I prefer, I'm out there with wilderness. It's the only time I get to be one with the wilderness is when I'm out here. We're gonna take these two tanks and we're gonna swap out the two acid tanks that are at the frac. So they're done using acid, we swap them out. Then we'll put in these two for fluid so they can flow, so they have more room. And then we gotta divvy out the acid tanks to two other locations out here as well. So here we are, the big wait. I'll wait for those guys to suck out these two end tanks. They're acid tanks. We're gonna take those out. And then I got two regular tanks. One's here, one's back at the C-ring, and we're gonna put those in, and then hopefully we'll spot two P tanks and then skedaddle. And you can see now it is 5:20. We got 3.5 hours left in my day. We better get cracking here. All right, well, we finally got those acid tanks out of there. Thank the Lord. So here's the last one. We're over on the new frac. This will be the next frac. We'll get rid of this beautiful acid tank. Then we're gonna go back and we're gonna move some P tank. T-bed power! We're waiting, windows are lights you're walking, we're going somewhere you daylight, I'm nighttime, we're twilight, we're losing sense of time, there's fire inside me. Tip number 600 and I think it's 48. Always hang your sling on the tank, not down in the snow and the ice like an asshole. So when it melts, these have been here a week. So when it melts in, you're not getting your bar to chip it out like a jabroni. You could just come. Well, you might want to take the nuts and bolts off it before transportation, but who am I to judge? I just drive truck. That way you can just grab the eyelet and rip it out with your winch. My winch. All right, let's go move some P tank.